first time on a KTM 250, I think since 2008. So 250 XCF 2020. Man, those off-camber roots are dangerous. Yeah, not enough power for a fat boy like me. I'd be reaming this thing out. Definitely feels fun. I'm just too fat. Noticeably lighter somehow. That's got to be like a rotating mass or inertia thing. And I can barely give it gas. It revs out. It revs out so quick. Feels like you could hold third a lot if you were a light guy, but I'm not. Definitely a fun bike though. Easier to correct mistakes on this than the 350, for sure. I probably should have rode the 450 XCF, but I have a 450 SXF at home, so I can get a pretty good idea of what that's going to be like in the trails. But guys, if you haven't watched the videos from other models, go check those out. Thanks so much for riding with me. Thanks to KTM and Solid Performance for putting on this demo.
Trying 300W. Plus the W's also they have a wider ratio transmission.
All right, guys, 250 XCF, fun bike, felt very nimble, really fun in the grass section, trying to hold momentum, trying to keep your RPMs up, shifting from second to third and railing some of those berms in third. If you're 150, 160, 170 pounds even, in good shape, yeah, it might be a sweet bike. Not gonna have the longevity of the bigger bikes, more than likely, but for me at my weight, I would just be reaming that thing. Just not enough power, but fun bike regardless.